Let us discuss today tree traversal. Tree traversal is nothing but how you can visit the node of a tree. In earlier linear data structure, we can visit the first node, and then from the first node to the last node. Or we can start visiting it from last node to the first node. But how we can visit the node of a tree data structure? This tree contains 3 nodes A, B and C. So which node I should visit first? Whether it is A first, then B and then C first and then A and then B. So there are 4 different types of traversal techniques in a tree data structure. Pre-order, in-order, post-order and level order. Our focus in this subject will be on these 3 types of traversal: pre-order, in-order and post-order. So in pre-order, we will visit the root first. For example, let's take this tree. We will visit the root first. So pre-order of this tree, we will visit this root first. So A is the first node. Then we will perform pre-order on the left subtree. So this B is only the node in the left subtree. So first root and then perform pre-order on the left subtree. So we have only one node, so that's why B. And then pre-order of the right subtree. And we have a single node in a right subtree also, that's why C. So pre-order is nothing but visit the root node and then left subtree and then right subtree. Then next is in-order traversal. In in-order traversal, we will perform first in-order on the left subtree, then we will visit the root node and then we will perform the in-order on a right subtree. So see the in-order: B, left and then root and then right. So in-order is nothing but left, root and right. Now post-order. In post-order traversal, we will visit the left subtree first, then we will perform post-order on a right subtree and then at last we will visit the node. So just look at the name pre, in and post. That will be decided based on the position of the root node. So in pre-order, root node is the first. That's why this is called pre-order. In order, this root node would be visited between this left subtree and right subtree. And in this post order, we will visit the root node at last. That's why this is called post order traversal. And one more type of traversal is level order. We will visit the root of a tree level by level. So this is level 1. As if you remember, we have discussed this earlier. This always root would be at level 1. So this level 1 A and then at level 2 B and C. So if we visit the tree like this is called level order traversal. Now look at this tree. We have only these 2 nodes. What is the pre-order of this tree? In pre-order, we will visit the root first, so that's why A, and then we will perform pre-order on a left subtree, but we have single node, so B, and we do not have any right subtree, so that's all. A, B is the pre-order traversal for this tree. And similarly, in order, post order, level order traversal is given, and for this tree also pre-order, in order, post order and level order traversal is given.